Okay, good evening, everyone. This is something that I want to address, man. I came from a live now from Hanover Park. I think the live is still on, right? So, what is so disturbing for me, right? The police is protecting a rapist, someone maybe who's hijacking people, like they're protecting gangsters, right? Where our young children are dying in the Cape Flats, right? Not only in Hanover Park, but all around the Cape Flats, in every colored area in the Cape Flats. This thing is happening, and if you need the police to come, say something is happening at your house, you call the police. They'll take 4 to 5 hours to show up, right? But now the community is standing up for against gangsters. The police is there to protect them. What is this world coming to? What is Cape Town coming to, guys? We're raising children. I think it's time for all of us to stand together, because I actually felt sad because now the police is shooting against the community. There's children standing there, there's old people, there's the community is standing there, but the police is shooting against them because they're protecting a criminal. For me, which is very wrong, and I think the government is to blame for that. The government is to blame for that, because if I make a call now, I need the police to come. They'll take a few hours to come, but they're there to protect the murderer, which is very wrong.